Every day, millions of people need healthcare, but are unable to communicate clearly with their healthcare providers because of language barriers. In the United States alone, nearly 29 million people have limited English proficiency. For healthcare organizations, this represents not only a significant challenge, but also a tremendous opportunity to expand access to quality care for a much larger patient population. Every year, hospitals, clinics, and other healthcare organizations spend billions of dollars on medical interpreter services. Professional interpreters play an essential role, but they are often expensive, require advanced scheduling, and are not always available when patients need them most. At the same time, telehealth has become an essential part of modern healthcare. Millions of medical appointments now take place through platforms such as Microsoft Teams, Zoom, WebEx, and other video communication solutions. Yet for patients who do not speak the provider's language, the communication barrier remains exactly the same. This is where VoxGrip AI Healthcare comes in. VoxGrip AI Healthcare is a lightweight Windows desktop application specifically designed to provide real-time speech translation during online medical consultations. Instead of requiring healthcare organizations to replace their existing systems or adopt a new telehealth platform, VoxGrip AI Healthcare works seamlessly alongside the tools they already use. Simply install the application and it becomes part of your existing workflow. Within minutes, doctors and patients can communicate naturally, each speaking their own language while the application translates the conversation in real time in both directions. There is no complex infrastructure, no servers to deploy or maintain, no lengthy implementation projects. VoxGrip AI Healthcare does not operate its own cloud service or store medical conversations. Instead, it securely connects to industry-leading AI models from OpenAI and Google to deliver highly accurate, real-time speech translation. Perhaps its greatest advantage, however, is its economic value. Hiring professional medical interpreters often costs between $40 and more than $100 per hour, depending on the language, availability, and scheduling requirements. By comparison, AI-powered translation with VoxGrip AI Healthcare typically costs around $3 per hour of conversation. This allows healthcare organizations to significantly reduce interpretation costs while providing immediate language support whenever it is needed. But the benefits go far beyond cost savings. By removing language barriers during online medical appointments, healthcare organizations can extend their services to many more patients who previously faced limited access because of language differences.
Welcome to the clinic.
Instead of waiting
How
for
are
an
you feeling
interpreter
today?
to become
Hola,
available
doctor, me
or
siento mucho
delaying
mejor,
care,
gracias.
patients
That's
can
wonderful to
communicate
hear.
with their
Let's
healthcare
continue your care.
providers almost
Grazie,
immediately.
dottore. Apprezzo il suo
That
aiuto.
means
It's
shorter
my
wait
pleasure.
times,
We'll follow up soon.
greater access to healthcare, a better patient experience, more efficient use of healthcare staff, and the ability to expand services to a much broader community without making major infrastructure investments. VoxGrip AI Healthcare is not a replacement for your existing telehealth platform. It is an intelligent layer that removes language barriers, reduces costs, and enables healthcare organizations to deliver higher quality care to more patients. VoxGrip AI Healthcare, real-time AI speech translation for modern healthcare.